This is Matt, and this will be a very straightforward video on how to upload files to Claude. So you see I'm logged into my Claude account, as you can see right here. So once you're logged into your Claude account, very simply, we have this main message window here where you put your prompt to the chatbot here. If you want to add a file, what you can do is you can come down to this plus icon where we have the files and connectors, click on that, and then right at the top, I mean, you can actually take a screenshot directly here from your computer, but if you want to add a file or a photo, you can add all kinds of different files, as I'll show you in just a second. We will click on this one right here. Now, this is my desktop. I've just got some random files set up here to show you. So CSVs, I've got a CSV here. This is a spreadsheet file. If you wanted to add that into the chat, maybe for some data analysis, you just click open, and that CSV has been added to the chat. Now, same way, if you wanted to do an image, let's go with the plus icon there, add files or folders again. And now I've got this random screenshot. I'm going to add that into the chat as well. So any kind of images, any kind of CSVs, PDF as well, pretty much every kind of file format you can think of, other than like a huge long 4K video or something. I don't believe you can add videos, but everything else for data analysis purposes, if you want to get Claude to look at in detail at an image and maybe pick out different things from the image, whatever it is. Let's go again with files and photos one last time. I'm going to find a PDF I have in here. Okay, I've got this random PDF here from an old video course of mine. Let's add that in. And there you go, the PDF gets added, and everything gets added within seconds depending on the size of the file. So we've got a big CSV spreadsheet file there. I've got this image here, and I've got this PDF there. That was quite a big PDF really, so it took a while to add. I think it was about 80 megabytes or something. So then you can literally start to talk to Claude about your files. So maybe you add a PDF and you want some data analysis or a CSV. Maybe you want to get it to look at an image and say, you know, what's the number in there, or what do you think of this image, or whatever it is. Loads and loads of different use cases. I won't list it all here, but very simply, that is how you will add files and images into Claude. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.